Welcome back to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I will show you how to remove the front grille from a 2006 Volkswagen Jetta. Okay, to start, first you will have to remove two top screws. They're both T25s, torx 25, so this one and the one on the other side. Okay, so these are the screws and this is the screwdriver that you need. Okay, the next thing you want to remove, there are two Phillips screws just underneath here. So right here under the angle, so there is one here and one on the other side as well. Okay, and these are the ones. And what you want to do next, there's a couple of clips still holding the front grille. Okay, so there is one clip here. So how this works, just press it with a flat screwdriver like this, so it's in all the way. And now with the other hand just pull the grill up. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but okay, I did it. This is the idea. This is the clip right here. Once you do that one, there is one more here on this side, and this one you can just gently also pry out. Okay. Okay, I'll show it to you as well. And this is the one right here. Yeah, and once you have these two out, there are two the same ones on the other side, and that's pretty much everything that's holding this grill. Okay, I will show you this side as well. So one clip here and one clip right here, and this is pretty much it. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel you can find lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics. And the hood closed.